Check out this cute rechargeable portable fan by Gaiatop. This thing is awesome. Honestly, it is small, but it is mighty. I've been testing out different little portable fans all day, and I think this one here might be the strongest. So a couple cool features. Let's check this out. So you have just one button right here up at the top, which obviously you cannot go wrong when you just have one button. Makes things nice and simple. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on for you. And as you can see right here up at the top, there's a little LCD screen, and it does have 3 different modes. You've got 1, you've got 2, and then we've got 3. So I'm sure you can actually hear that speed going on right there. And then once it, after it leaves the speed, it actually tells you how much percentage of the battery you have. I think I read on number 1, it will go for like 14 hours. Speed number 2, it's like 7.5, and then speed number 3, this one, the highest one, I think it only lasts about 4.5 hours. So it's definitely something that you want to keep in mind. Of course, it is rechargeable, and they give you the cord, and it just gets plugged in right there. But on top of that, let me see if I'm going to do this right. Long hold, and then look at that. The light comes on, which is so cool. So you have a fan, you have a light. So this will be really cool if you are camping, or if you're just like me and you're just needing an extra little fan. And then check this out. You've got this hook down here on the bottom. So you can hook this up, and because this fan, of course, has 360-degree turnage there, you can move it in any which direction and hang this up. I'm just thinking of like being in a fan and having this right over your face while you were sleeping. It will feel absolutely fantastic. So definitely a win on this cute portable rechargeable fan.